Okay, everyone, welcome back to this channel. I would like to share to you about how to make Nelson pen, Nelson bench. Anyway, first of all, you have to make basic plane with a rotated rectangle like this, and you have to set it on origin position, and then you have to make approximately 1,200 millimeter, and about the depth is around um, 500 millimeter. And after that, you have to push it up to make a thickness of this rectangle. It's around maybe 50 millimeter, and then you have to offset it inside. It's around 30 millimeter also. Then you have to push it down until the center plane are erased. Then you have to make a movement and on above of it. It's around 350 millimeter. Like this, then after that, you have to make additional wood like this. You have to make something like this with a rectangle. With you can see it. Maybe you can see the position like this. Then after that, you have to make duplicate of this. Then just make a component and just create it. And press move and press Control to duplicate it. And just press 20 slash. I'm sorry, it's too much. It's too much. You have to move and press Control and press 15 slash. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, after this all, you have to make a rectangle on this position. You can see this step anyway. Okay, you have to make a rectangle for the basic shape of the frame like this, and you have to make this shape approximately something like this. Okay, and you have to erase it and just erase it, and just erase some unnecessary line like this, and just offset it inside. It's around for 30 millimeter. Then you have to erase the unnecessary plane like this, and just make the thickness of this support is around 50 millimeter. Okay, and then you have to make it component and just create it, and press move and press Control to duplicate it. You can set the position something like this. You can see the video, and then you have to make some more support like this with a rectangle, and just make it group and make it component and create it and press Control and position it on it. And you have to make a material. Just use this color. Okay, then just make it group, and you have to set another material of this wood. You can set it. Okay, okay, this is the exercise of this video. I hope you get a lot of benefit from this episode. Thanks for watching, but for my next video. Thank you.